name is Eugene, and I'm from a language school. The reason why I joined this TTT program is because that I want to help people to learn about digital marketing. And digital marketing itself is a very hard to learn area, but I want to help spread that because I know that it will help people's life to improve. So what I feel about this program is, well, most people should perceive that TTT is a very boring and dry subject itself. When I went for this TTT program, I found it to be very thought-provoking, to be very fruitful, to be very energetic, a lot of case examples, and I really felt my time here very worthwhile. And I look forward to join other classes itself. So that's all for now. So, unleash the master in you. You can do it.